oncologist from Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai. Dr. Saklani sir. Sir is ex-surgical oncologist from Tata and head of the surgical oncology department at Fortis Hospital, Mulund. Dr. Vikramjit Kanwar sir. Sir is a senior pediatric hemato and oncologist, and he is currently working at Max Nanavati. Dr. Salil Patkar, founder ICTC.
I'm really sorry for the little delay that has happened. But in the presence of my esteemed chief guest, I would want you all, and I want them to inaugurate and welcome you all to my new center. So welcome to ICTC Thane. So first, sir, I would want Dr. Saklani sir to speak a few words for us.
Hi. Good morning, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for coming here. I would like to congratulate Chirag and Juhi for this thing. Darshan. And Juhi, sorry. I think cancer is a growing problem, and almost 1 in 10 people will get it over their lifetime. You want access to care which is close to your home, affordable and accessible. And I congratulate them, and I would like to thank them.
Good morning, and again, like Dr. Saklani told, recently, I don't know, you all must have seen the headline, 92% people will get cancer, which was absolutely wrong headline, by the way. It was 92% will be affected by cancer. That means, somebody they know or somebody in their family or they themselves will get affected by cancer. So what I want to say is that cancer is, the numbers are increasing, and basically with the increasing number, it's really becoming difficult for the existing centers like Tata and all to take care of all the patients. And very importantly, nowadays it's very difficult to travel also. So if you have the cancer facilities closer to home, I think it will really help the patients to better take the treatment, complete the treatment on time, and do it with a good mindset. So I think it's very important for such centers to develop in the local vicinity so that patients don't have to travel far. And the same expertise, if they can get at the doorstep, why not? So congratulations both, basically Darshan and Juhi for this center. And we hope that patients don't have to travel and come all the way to other centers in the city. And Thane needed, especially the pediatric center, was none. Adult oncology numbers are already there to absorb one more center like this. So all the best, and we hope that you will give as we saw the center cheating, we have done the cheating. It's a beautiful place because half the thing better is one, if you have good surroundings, a healthy environment to take treatment, and it's really done well, not claustrophobic, enough space between beds, very lighted. So I think overall they will get a very good experience when they are having the treatment. So I think all the best to you.
I will give a much shorter acclamation than my dear colleague, because we deal with children. And although when you think of children, you never think of cancer. बच्चों को बहुत बीमारियां होती हैं, लेकिन cancer is something rare. But when it affects a family, it affects so many people around them. It is like lightning bolt from the sky. And to have an expert as experienced as Dr. Juhi, along with our other colleagues like around here, but the more people we can have who can treat children cancer in a thoughtful way, in a very professional way, and close to home. So having ICTC, which allows care to come close to home, so families don't have to spend the whole day traveling just to get care for their children, and yet can get that high quality care which they want and need. So again, my very big congratulations to both Dr. Juhi and to our colleague in adult oncology. But I felt I had to say a little bit about pediatric oncology.
Sorry. I think Darshan is a very good friend. I always get confused with him. So congratulations to him and thank you very much.
So, good morning everyone, and a very big thank you to my esteemed chief guest, fellow doctors, my family members and my dear friends. Today I really welcome you to my center. Today it's not an inauguration of a chemotherapy daycare center, but it is rather a beginning of a promise that I make for giving advanced, compassionate and affordable care which is closer to the people who need it the most. Now, what all three of them have already said that cancer is not just a diagnosis. Cancer does not only affect the patient, it affects it physically, emotionally, and the worst, financially. Behind every cancer patient, there's a family that is looking for some kind of hope. There's a family that is looking for some kind of encouraging words. A family just who wants to know that the doctor cares more than them. Other than the drugs, it is this hope, it is the smile, it is this, the care that the patient sees. It helps us heal the patient much faster. And I really want to make this promise to this community that I will be truthful to every patient that is there. We will provide the best and the world-class cancer care that is provided anywhere else, and that every patient is satisfied when they leave here. And I want to moreover thank my mentors, my nursing staff, my family, and every administrator of ICTC who has helped my dream become true. And I welcome you all to ICTC Thane. And Dr. Salil, he speaks really well, so I would want Dr. Salil to have a few words here.
First time you called me mentor. Too much pressure on me. Yeah, I feel old. So yeah, this is our 11th center. So we have, in the last 2.5 years, grown to 11 centers. We're treating around 3,000 to 3,500 cancer patients per month, which is a reasonably good volume. What we are more proud of is the fact that I can say with a certain amount of confidence that our attrition rate is very low, simply because no matter what you say, the truth is attritions come because people can't afford treatment. There is a huge economic disparity between what is possible in treatments and what is affordable in treatments, and we are trying to bridge that gap. We still remain profitable. It's by no means charity work that we do, but then there is so much to be done in that space that exists between charity and what can be charged to patients and what should be charged to patients. So we are proud of that part. Like I said, no patient has by and large been ever turned away saying that you can't afford cancer treatment. We started a foundation, we raised roughly 50 lakhs plus last year. The target this time is to cross 1 crore. We got a mammography van. And since we got the van, we have done, I think, around 25-26 mammo camps, and all of them have been free of cost. And most of them have been in areas where otherwise there is no way to do screening. Roha, Pe, Mangav, areas which are away from the city. And almost every alternate camp we come back with at least 1 or 2 breast cancer patients. And there's nothing to say that, come back to us. We just tell the person organizing the camp that, look, these people need to go somewhere and start treatment. So that has been a great thing. Where it will go, we don't know. It's going to be a long journey, but it's a fun journey. And the best part is it got us in touch with youngsters like Darshan, like Dr. Juhi, and so many others, Dr. Deep. And we realized that it's fun to work as a group. It's less pressure. And you get to do more than just your routine 9 to 5. And in some way, I won't use the word entrepreneur, but then yes, the word is doctors also can be entrepreneurs, and it's a fun experience. I don't know where it ends, but it's a fun experience. So thank you so much for the support.
So warm welcome to all of you. As I can see the hall, I can see my colleagues, my mentors, my family, friends. Thank you all for being here. And I will not take much time, but I am a pediatric oncologist, so I treat children with blood and cancer. So it's very special when I get this opportunity to serve these patients at ICTC Thane. मराठी में एक saying है कि जिथे गरज तिथे सेवा. So actually we need doctors who treat these kids who are fighting such a deadly disease, and it is not always has to be in a hospital, which is frightening for them. They have to travel long, they have to miss school, they have to miss the family. So this is closer to home, where they can come take their treatment in a familiar environment. And what my aim will be at ICTC Thane is not just cure the cancer, but not let their childhood go away. They should feel that they are normal, and when they go back, they complete their treatment, they go back to they are able to go back to their normal life, school, and get integrated well into the society. So thank you very much for coming here and supporting all of us. Thank you.
So I think all of us, can we please join for the cake cutting? So please welcome and thank you all for being here today, and welcome to my center, ICTC Thane. Our center, yes, it is all our center.